thousands of manufacturers building bakery machines today, it is tough to find a good one, since our company has faced a lot of problems with the previous bakery machine. We decided to provide choices for bakery machine. The defect created by this machine has led the company towards humongous loss. After researches have been made, we have come down to two choices of bakery machine, which are Senai machine originally come from China, and the GT machines originally come from Germany and it's assembled at China. Before coming down to a decision, we have narrowed down two machines and compared them within these four criteria. The criteria are prices, maintenance, durableness, and performance. The criteria of these two machines will be detailed with a few tables and pictures to compare both specifically.
And discussion. Our company have choose the best two machine, and one of it is GT machine and another one is Senai machine. So we have done the comparison between these two machines. I will explain about the price in this comparison. After the research and discussion from the Department of Finance, the budget that start by company is maximum Rn 1,000 and 2,000 for one unit of machine. So, price for Senai machine is Rn 19,000 per one unit, while price for GT machine is 1,000 and 2,000. The price range of both machines fulfill the requirement by not exceeding the budget.
Okay, I will continue for my part. I will compare about the maintenance between these two machines, which is GT bread and the Senai bread machine. For the Senai bread machine, is a brand from China. This bread machine has a low maintenance. Then, it offers 1 year warranty on a new machine and 8 months protection on a control component after a machine is out of warranty. Moreover, it does not cover drive and motor or mechanical components. For the GT bread machine, is a brand from Germany and is more expensive due to the maintenance service. This bread machine has a low maintenance, which means the machine is a good quality and there has a less damage. Furthermore, it's offer full 2 years warranty on a new machine and a year protection on a control component after a machine is out of warranty. Lastly, it is easy to repair if there are any damage occur to the machine because this machine spare part is easy to find. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
The regulation is to make sure that do spend a large amount of money to buy another machines in short times, and the quality of end product or not. There's two companies that offers a good bread machines, but we found the machine from GT company can be used for a long time warranty period of 2 years. 2 years compared Senai company offer 1 year's warranty only. So the GT brand is low maintenance, which means that the machines are good quality and will be less damaged. Moreover, the bread machines they produce has been approved and get certificates by professionals. Also, well-known and trusted company. Two companies Senai brand, they still produce a good quality, but the period of usage is low and not have enough to prove us that they are the one we should buy.
Okay, so for the last criteria is performance. In order to ensure that we only produce high quality of bread for our customer, the performance must be at the top notch. Therefore, we have carefully selected 4 design specifications to value the performance of our machine. So, for the first design specification is the maximum workpiece. For GT company, it can produce 600 to 900 pieces of bread per minute. Meanwhile, for the SCNY company, it's only 20 until 120 pieces of bread per minute. So therefore, we can see that the GT company have the higher production of rate. Okay, so the next specification is the spindle speed. A higher spindle speed will create a smoother surface, which will lead to a better surface quality for the end product. As you can see, both of the GT and SENY company has the same spindle speed, which is 5,000 per minute. So the third specification is the feed rate. The higher the feed rate of a machine, then the higher the volume of production. So you can see GT company will have a feed rate of 2,000 per minute, meanwhile the SENY company have only 1,500 per minute. Okay, lastly, for the design specification is the accuracy. The accuracy is important because when the accuracy becomes smaller to 0, then the product will be more detailed. As you can see, the accuracy for GT company is 0.005 millimeter, and for SNY company is 0.01 millimeter. You can see the difference between both company in the numbers. As I said before, the smaller the number of the position accuracy, then the product will become more detailed. Among any other numbers of design specification available, we have selected only these 4 design specification because it can significantly affect the performance of the machine. Also, we do not want to any arising issue happen in the future.
From this discussion, few aspects is considered. As example, the price. Between these two machines, the price for GT bread machine is RM1,020 per unit, and the semi bread machine is RM90,000 per unit. The second aspect is maintenance. For GT, it's offered 2-year warranty and some spare part is easy to find. But the semi bread machine is only offer 1 year's warranty and some spare part is hard to find. Next is durability. The GT bread machine product has been approved and got some certificate by the professional. Also, they are well-known and trusted company. Compared to the semi bread machine, still produce a good bread machine, but then their period of usage is low and not enough evidence to prove us that they are the one we should not buy. Lastly is the performance. The semi bread machine can only produce 20 to 120 pieces per minute compared to the GT bread machine can produce 600 to 900 pieces per minute. At the end of this discussion, we prefer GT bread machine is the best because of the price, the maintenance, durability, and the performance. Thank you. That's all from me.
So, as a recommendation for our company, the best choice of a machine must be the best one, and it is the GT bread machine from Germany. It's because of its ability and also the good performance that the machine can provide us. As example, the machine can last longer and also with consistent performance compared to semi bread machine that from China. Other than that, the machine also is better than the machine from China. Why? This is because it can be easily repaired, and the most importantly, replacement part can easily to find. Therefore, based on the criteria, the GT bread machine gives more advantage to our production. Why did I say so? Well, the high accuracy that produced by the machine, the maximum load that the machine can handle. The product that can come out is more than we can produce before. And the best part is, this machine able to create a smoother surface on the bread, and clearly GT bread machine from Germany is the best choice. Thank you.